Okay, hi dear all Espresso freaks, watchers of Espresso TV. We have here Italian grinder manufacturer called Ceado, C-E-A-D-O, Ceado. Sounds quite nice. Here a very nice top model called the E37S, and another one here, the lady in black, the E6P. The E6P is a little bit basic with the timer adjustment here. With a screwdriver you can pull it towards plus, then it takes longer, and how long nobody knows. Let's see. And here you can adjust the grinding degree. It's also stepless here towards fine, and left side towards coarse. So it's left, it's the opposite thread like normal, so it's counterclockwise. And let's hear just the difference. Here you have to switch on, of course, otherwise no function. This is the on-off switch, also the panic switch in case it's too much. Like here when you see, Hilfe, Mamma Mia. Okay, here you can stop so easily, no problem. And here it stops when this knob is no longer in contact. Okay, press, suck, easy, totally easy going. Okay, also smooth for the sound. And now I have a special grinder mix, but it's the same bean. Yeah, let's see whether something comes out or not. I don't know. As usual, the quantity should be flat. So that's my parameter of for a single espresso, I guess 8.5 grams. Maybe it's a little bit too much, who knows, but let's see the result in the cup, whether I'm good or bad. Therefore, old Famer E61. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's going a little bit too fast, which would be, I guess, a little bit too coarse, but it's already quite close, as you can see here, the crema. And but let's have a second attempt. So clean it, always clean filter holder and clean machine. So always a short back flush is recommended. Here, so that's for single, so it's not enough. I have to adjust the settings. The settings I can adjust here at the set switch. So when you press it for a few seconds, like here, then you have a, okay, then you can single port, double port. Now it's here in the German language. You can also set the different languages, and yeah, when you don't do anything, then it goes back to the normal operating switch. So it's quite a comfy solution. And let's see how the espresso will be now with only the big grinder, not a grinder mix. And look, it's very fine, a little bit too fine. So now here we are in the over extraction. This is definitely not drinkable. This will be bitter and sour because it's the coffee burns. So this is then too fine or too much coffee. Can be both. So this is not good. Even maybe it looks good, but it's not drinkable for my recommendation. So it's too extreme, but the cake is quite okay here, but too extreme. So last but not least, we need 3 adjustment steps. It's always like first attempt, second attempt, and mainly In the third attempt we are quite good, so let's go a little bit, a few millimeters towards coarse. Here you have the grinding adjustment. And now of course that's the dead space, which we do not use. So more or less that's the quantity, little bit less. And check now the third glass, so that's over extracted. Okay. Now it's better. Not optimum, but I would say quite good. I will have another smell to test whether it's smelling sour. No, it's okay. In my opinion, this one is okay. Lot of crema, not bad. And yeah, let's have a test. Yep, that's good. Okay, super. So a short Ceado introduction is hopefully helping you, and at least I can say it's really cool, good material. So no rubbish, no bad stuff. I can recommend it fully. My favorite one is this one. I would spend a little bit more money and buy this one. Okay, see you the next time. Ciao.